Oh my god, new twins rework. The brand new update is here. We actually got twins rework in Volleyball Legends. I'll be literally going over and showing you every single new working code in the new twins rework update. You can actually redeem yourself tons and tons of lucky spins and cash right now by actually redeeming these new update codes. I'm not really sure where the log is. Where's the log? Any logs? Log. First code. 750 members. 750 members. 750,000 members. So this is the first code. Do not miss out on any future codes. Be subscribed, be liked. Let's actually zoom it in for you guys so you can actually see what I'm redeeming right now. Perfect. Boom! 5 lucky spins. 5 lucky spinneronis. And we get the next code. Update _20 on update 20. I hope this actually works because I believe it's case sensitive, so I'm not really sure if it's gonna actually redeem because it's full caps. Full caps. This is not full caps. Let's actually check the Volleyball Discord. The twins rework 2x secret pity weekend as well as a video. Alright, redeem. Boom! Bada boom! Bada boom! Alright. If you want a extra slot right now, type in twins. Type in the comments down below twins. If you type twins in the comments down below, I'll be choosing 3 winners for a free slot. Okay, 3 winners for a free slot. The only thing that you need to do is twins. Type twins in the comments down below. The next code. Twins _rework. Twins _rework. Don't forget to like and subscribe as well. And comment down below the secret word. Shabang. 5 lucky spins a gang. 5 lucky spins a gang. So if you didn't already see the new update, this is exactly what I'm talking about. The twins rework, float surf, tilt replication. They have actually reworked the twins. And 2x secret pity weekend. So you can get secret characters in Volleyball Legends. If you go to your styles and open up secret right here, the twins, they're right there and you can actually obtain them 2 weeks. And there is double secret pity, so there's twice as much luck, twice as much chance that you can actually get them. Still nothing, but anyways, it's at least something, right? At least a little bit.